The Galapagos Islands, an archipelago of volcanic islands distributed on either side of the equator in the Pacific Ocean, are renowned for their vast number of endemic species and were studied by Charles Darwin during the voyage of the Beagle. His observations and collections contributed to the inception of Darwin's theory of evolution by natural selection. The islands are located about 906 kilometers west of continental Ecuador, to which they belong. The archipelago consists of 18 main islands, 3 smaller islands, and 107 rocks and islets. The first recorded visit to the islands happened by chance in 1535, when the Bishop of Panama, Fray Tomás de Berlanga, drifted off course en route to Peru. He reported the islands to be devoid of fresh water and noted the giant tortoises and iguanas, which would later become emblematic of the Galapagos. The islands were initially used as a hideout by English pirates who pilfered Spanish galleons carrying gold and silver from South America to Spain. The first known pirate to visit the Galapagos was Richard Hawkins in 1593. The islands provided an excellent refuge for pirates, with their complex coastline offering many hiding spots and the giant tortoises providing a source of fresh meat. The tortoises could survive for months without food or water, so they were kept alive on ships as a source of fresh meat, which is one of the reasons they became endangered. The Galapagos Islands were annexed by Ecuador in 1832, just a few years before Darwin's visit in 1835. Darwin was not the first scientist to visit the islands, but he was the first to study them in detail. He spent 5 weeks there, collecting specimens and making observations that would later form the basis of his theory of evolution. The Galapagos finches, with their varied beak shapes and sizes, were particularly influential in the development of his ideas on natural selection. The islands are situated at the confluence of 3 ocean currents and are a melting pot of marine biodiversity. The convergence of nutrient-rich currents has led to the development of a unique ecosystem, with species that have adapted to the islands' specific conditions. The Galapagos Marine Reserve, one of the largest marine reserves in the world, was established in 1986 to protect these waters. The Galapagos National Park was established in 1959, the same year that the Charles Darwin Foundation was founded. The park covers 97% of the land area of the archipelago, with the remaining 3% allocated to inhabited areas. The Park Service works to preserve the island's unique ecosystems and to manage tourism, which is the primary economic activity in the islands. Tourism began in earnest in the 1960s and has grown significantly since then, with strict controls in place to minimize environmental impact. The human population of the Galapagos has grown rapidly, from a few thousand in the 1970s to over 30,000 in recent years. This growth has put pressure on the island's resources and has led to conflicts between conservation efforts and development. Introduced species, such as goats, cats, and rats, have also had a significant impact on the native flora and fauna, leading to extensive eradication programs. The Galapagos Islands were declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1978, and in 2007, UNESCO added the islands to its list of World Heritage in danger due to the threats posed by invasive species, unbridled tourism, and overfishing. However, due to successful conservation efforts, the islands were removed from the endangered list in 2010. The island's climate is characterized by a hot, rainy season from December to May and a cool, dry season known as the Garua season from June to November. The temperature and rainfall vary with altitude, creating distinct microclimates that support different types of vegetation. The higher elevations are home to the Scalesia forests, a type of daisy tree that can grow up to 20 meters tall, while the lower, drier areas are dominated by cacti and arid zone vegetation. The Galapagos penguin, the only penguin species found north of the equator, and the marine iguana, the only iguana that forages in the sea, are among the many unique species that inhabit the islands. The giant tortoises, from which the islands derive their name, can live for over 100 years and are a symbol of the archipelago. The tortoises were nearly driven to extinction by whalers and pirates who hunted them for their meat, but conservation programs have helped to restore their populations. The islands are also home to the Galapagos sea lion, the Galapagos fur seal, and the waved albatross, which has the largest wingspan of any bird. The waved albatross is only found on Hispaniola Island and is known for its elaborate mating dances. The Galapagos hawk, the island's top predator, is another endemic species that plays a crucial role in the ecosystem. The underwater world of the Galapagos is as rich and diverse as its terrestrial counterpart. The waters are inhabited by a variety of sharks, including the scalloped hammerhead, and the Galapagos shark, as well as rays, sea turtles, and a multitude of fish species. The coral reefs, although not as extensive as those in other parts of the world, are home to a variety of coral species and associated marine life. The Galapagos Islands continue to be a living laboratory for scientists and a unique destination for tourists. The ongoing challenge is to balance the needs of the human population with the imperative to preserve the island's extraordinary biodiversity. The lessons learned in the Galapagos about conservation, sustainability, and the interconnectedness of life have global relevance and underscore the importance of protecting our planet's natural heritage. In conclusion, the Galapagos Islands are a remarkable example of the wonders of evolution and the importance of conservation. They remind us of our responsibility to protect the natural world and to learn from it. The island's history, from their discovery by humans to their current status as a protected area, is a testament to the resilience of nature and the impact of human actions. As we move forward, it is crucial that we continue to support efforts to preserve the Galapagos and other unique ecosystems around the world for future generations to study, enjoy, and draw inspiration from.